In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a project in Asana. At some point, you might have archived a project to declutter your workspace, or because the project was temporarily on hold. Now, you need to bring it back to active status. Follow along as we dive into the simple steps to unarchive your project. First, let's begin by navigating to the Asana interface. On the left panel of your screen, you will see several options displayed. You want to look for the section labeled Projects. This section provides an overview and access to both your current and past project activities. Click on it and then select Browse Projects. This will allow you to view a comprehensive list of all your projects, whether they're actively ongoing or archived and stored away for later use. Once you are in the Browse Projects view, take your attention to the status filter present in this section. It's usually set to show active projects by default. With a simple click, you can adjust the status filter. You need to specifically set this to archived. The status filter is the key here because it neatly segregates your archived projects from the active ones, making it quicker and easier for you to find what you're looking for. Now that you have set the filter to archived, a list of all archived projects will appear before you. Here, you can check the projects that you have archived in the past. Identify the project you need to unarchive. As you look through the list, take note of project titles or dates to ensure you're selecting the correct project. Once you've identified the right archive project, simply click on it to open up the project's detailed view. With the project open, direct your attention to the top section where the project title is displayed. You will notice a small caret icon that appears next to the project's name. This icon often appears as a small downward arrow and serves as a drop-down menu trigger for additional options related to project management. Give it a click. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find various options for project settings, and one of these options is Unarchive. Select Unarchive, and just like that, your project is brought back into active status. This means the project will be readily available to you and your team for further updates and task assignments as needed. And there you have it. Returning an archived project to active status in Asana is a straightforward process. Remember, effective project management often requires revisiting and revitalizing your archived projects when the situation calls for it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and update your projects as situations evolve within your workspace. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you navigate through your Asana projects.